Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a verified email and device permissions, because the app needs access to function correctly. Once done, open the onboarding, choose a template or blank workspace to jump straight into the first task. Make sure to enable notifications so you receive updates. You'll feel the difference immediately, faster workflow and fewer interruptions. Start the first action. Tap Create, name your item, and add one asset. This sets the stage for the detailed steps ahead. You now move into the core process, assembling and customizing content. Add text, images, and links, then arrange them with drag and drop. This gives you visual control. Once items are placed, adjust privacy and sync settings, and set autosave to 5 minutes to prevent data loss. Make sure to use layers or sections to separate components. This reduces mistakes and speeds edits. If third-party integrations are needed, connect them here. Then verify data flows correctly before proceeding to finalization. You finish by previewing and testing everything. Interact with elements, confirm links work, and then export or publish. Once satisfied, confirm backups are enabled. Cloud sync plus a local export gives redundancy. If something goes wrong, try a targeted troubleshooting step. Restart the app to clear temporary glitches, then check permissions and network connectivity because those cause most failures. If the issue persists, re-import your local backup and repeat the final checks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.